Hello cat and RV lovers. Today I'm going to show you how Philly goes pee in the potty. What you doing, Laura? Come on up. Come on. We're having a flea epidemic. I ordered a gallon jug of Black Flag flea spray, and I've been trying to move the animals from one side of the trailer to the other. Luckily, I have a door that separates the bedroom from the front of the house. So I try not to poison the animals, but man, once you get fleas, it's a never-ending battle. Till it isn't, right? So anyway, Philly woke up, and here she is. And I actually already expressed the video, but I want to do this one because I want to show you some things that I got for her. Also, I ordered a wheelchair cart for her. One of my viewers, I think it was Deb, mentioned that she probably would like it because she gets the zoomies. And man, I can attest to that because when I took her in the yard, I held her up by her tail, and her front feet just started going. I could barely keep up with her. So I have a feeling when I get this cart, I'm gonna have to put a leash on her because she's something else. She is something else. She's got me wrapped around her little paw. I mean, I hold her a lot of portion of the day. She just wants to be held, or she wants to play. I'm at her beck and call. So at any rate, another thing I'm gonna do today is Gary and Laura are out of town for a couple days, and they texted me that there was a fire in the neighborhood. So I'm going to take Philly on her first bike ride. I designed this little thing for her to sit in front of me on the handlebars, and then Pepper's in the back basket. And I did get a little harness just so I could like tie her in and not have to worry about her maybe trying to jump out. I don't think she will. I take her on the mule in her fuzzy bed, and I leave her alone while I go in and tend to Mama Cat, and she's still there. She doesn't try to get down. So I'm not really worried about her jumping out, but for safety's sake, I'm going to try to buckle her in. I don't have to do that with Pepper. He's been good. I don't think he'll try to jump. And if he did, it's not going to protect me if he tried to jump out of his basket, because his weight would just pull me right over anyway. So at any rate, I will show you her pee-pee, and then we'll go on a bike ride. You say hi, Philly? Say hi to your fans? You're getting a little fan base. Look, can say hi? Say hi, baby. Ouch! She's got some claws. Yes, she does. She hasn't figured out. Most cats figure out that it hurts a human when they claw. She hasn't figured that out. But we'll get to it, won't we? Yes, Mama still loves you. I know in one of my videos I had these little dots all over. I still do, kinda. And they're basically from Philly claws while I'm trying to teach her to express herself in the toilet. She did not like that for the first dozen times I did it, and now she's getting used to it. I talk soft to her, tell her I love her, and she's safe. There's just something about when I pick her up, she doesn't feel safe. I don't know if that has anything to do with her paralysis. I've never really seen another kitty like that, to be honest. But, you know, every cat is different. I love every difference about the personalities. I really do. Laura has been really feisty, and she's calming down. Hi, Laura. You hear me talking about you? You know your name. And now she wants to go outside, so I have an appointment to get her fixed. October 7th, I think. Yeah. And I got to get her fixed because she's been playing out around the RV during the day. And I try to sit out there with them as much as I can, but she stays, and Pearl seems to be babysitting when she's out there, but it's a matter of time till she gets pregnant, so I gotta get her fixed before she comes into heat. And plus that, have you ever lived with a cat in heat? Pearl went into heat before her appointment. Oh my word, she was yowling and just kept me awake, and it's just miserable. So we'll get that done, and I don't know what's gonna happen with Philly. I don't know if she's at risk to be put under. gotta research that, but I'm sure she'll probably go into heat. So we'll see. We'll take care of business, won't we, little girl? You got any fleas on you? I actually did put her front line on Philly for the first time, so I'm sure she's old enough, and I just didn't want to see her get flea ridden. So on with our bike ride. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's see if little Philly can do her pee-pee. You got pee-pee? You got some pee-pee. There's a little bit coming out. Did you see a little bit coming out? See her tail raise? She's getting used to this. She used to fight me and claw. A little bit came out. That's good. Now I know she won't pee on the floor. Say hi, Philly. Say hi. Tell everybody you love them for watching you. Yeah. Mama loves you. You're such a good girl. All right, go play. Okay, I got this little bucket fixed for Philly. And we'll see if it works. I don't think I'm going to take Pepper today. On Philly's maiden voyage, I'm going to, hey Pearl, what you doing? Huh? Hey Pearl. Hey pretty girl. You want to say hi? No? Alright. There's the mule. Philly rides on the front seat with me. She seems to like it. I'm trying to, maybe she should be a service animal. Maybe sometime I'll look into taking her to nursing homes and stuff. I got to get my housing situation taken care of. So at any rate, I'm going to go get Philly and see how she fits. Okay. Alrighty. Philly's tied in. Her little harness fits her, and I just put a piece of string just to keep her steady. Pepper won't grow this time, so we're off to go look for the fire that Gary's interested in. I didn't hear any sirens, but we'll go see if it's around the block. cruising along? Not so bad. No. This fun? I wanted to show you a few things I got for Philly that makes handling a paralyzed kitty a little bit easier. I got these adorable diapers on Amazon. There's a hole in the tail, so while she's on her belly, I put this over her back, slide that under her, and pass it across the back like this. And what makes these better than disposable is that they are sturdy, so it's easier to put on. They aren't flimsy. They hold their shape. They're absorbent. They feel comfortable, and you can wash them out by hand and they dry pretty quick, especially if you set them outside, or they can go through the washer. Furby's helping me today. You helping me, Furby? I also got a sling. I'm not going to bother Furby, but it goes across my shoulder, and she fits in here. Her head comes out here, and you can cinch it. There's a phone pouch on the strap. Put your phone in, but she's small, so I can put some of my stuff underneath her and prop her up a little bit because it's a little bit big. The purse I used when I went to Salamone, that's what prompted me to get this. That purse did not work. I was constantly trying to pick her, you know, pull her up so her head was sticking out of the purse. And this was only $15. There's dozens of them on Amazon, and I didn't see that much difference in the quality, so I just got the $15 one. And these diapers, I can't remember. I'm thinking they were $7.99 for 3 of them. I paid $10 for a dozen disposable diapers at Walmart. I think I mentioned that. And the only difference between those and newborn size is the hole in the butt. So I just cut a hole with the scissors. But I don't really use those often. I don't use diapers. I don't care if she poops. It's easy to pick up. And I'm expressing her peace. So I basically, when I take her out shopping and stuff, I do it because they're so cute more than anything else. Because I can express her in the parking lot. I can express her anywhere. So I don't really have to worry about her peeing. And like I said, if she pooped while I was in there, I always have paper towel with me. I'd take paper towel and throw it away. So she's really not much effort at all, to be honest with you. She's so adorable. I just love her to pieces. What do you think, Ferb? Are you voting yay? Are you voting yay on the kitty? Huh? You voting yay on Philly? What about Laura? You've mothered them both, you know. I think you caught the virus from Laura. And probably fleas from Philly. So you're a good warrior, taking care of those babies, even though it doesn't help you any, right? You're a good girl. Mama loves you. My very first tortie. You're 16 and a half years old and still trucking. What do you think? I think you're deaf, though. I really do. But Mama knows how to say I love you in sign language. Here's how I say I love you to all my animals. I go, I love, and I point to them, and I'll mouth it and I say it. So I think I've been doing that for years. I think even if Furby is deaf, she knows that when I go like this, it means I love you. Is that what they do to the chimps too? Is that the way they do it? I don't know. Okay, just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to go look for a fire that Gary said was around here last night. I was on 750 on the bike ride, but only for a short time, so I'm just going to cruise up and down 750 and see what I can see, and you can ride along with me.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Wow, this one's really decorated up. People must come here. Watkins. October 2nd. That's my oldest son's birthday. Wow. Look at this. Their family must party out here. Look at all this stuff. Susan Gale was younger than me. And Gregory Wayne, still alive. Tuttles. Perhaps they are not stars in the sky, but rather openings, where our loved ones shine down to let us know they are happy. Wow. Randy was almost my age, a little older. And Judith was a couple years younger. I wonder what they died of. I don't know, they have family that love them though, don't they? Another Watkins. Oh, I like the bird. Look at that bird. That's cool.